Welcome to another Visure Requirements tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll cover how to install the new license server for Visure Requirements 5.2. Before we start the install process, we'll need to download two files that Visure has given you. First is the LMX and User Tools install package, and the second is the toolvendor.dll file. After downloading these two files, run the LMX and User Tools install package. Here you can read the license agreement and click I agree. And on this screen, you can change the installation path. In this tutorial, we're just keeping it as the default. Select Install LMX License Server, and now we'll need to browse to the location where you put your .dll file. Select it. Everything else can be left as default, except we'll want to select Start LMX License Server after installation. And click Next. Once the license server has been installed, we need to run the LMX configuration tool. Go to the Start menu and open the Xformation folder. Run the LMX configuration tool. It will automatically open to the Host ID tab. This information is needed to generate your correct license file. Click Save to File and email this to our licensing team at licensing@visuresolutions.com. The Visure licensing team will send back a .lic file, which contains your corresponding license. This .lic file must be placed inside the license server installation folder. Copy this file, and then you'll want to go to the C drive, Program Files x86, Xformation, and the LMX and User Tool folder. Download and paste the .lic file into this folder. Now we can run the LMX license server client. Go back to the Start menu and scroll down to the Xformation folder again. Open the LMX license server client. If there is an error saying the license server is down, verify the address of the license server in the top right. In the bottom left, click Restart so that the server can use the new license file we just gave it. Enter the admin password. The default password and how to change it can be found in our license server installation document. After the restart, go to the License Usage tab to see that the license has been registered. You should see your correct license registered here. Now, if we open the Visure Requirements client, and log into one of our projects, now, if we refresh this page, we should see the license has been used by the client. We can also go back to the dashboard to see a visual representation of the licenses currently being used. If the server gave the client its license, then the license server has been installed correctly.